Hey guys, welcome back to Just4fun290. Today we're going to be opening up this Disney Planes Waterfall Rescue Track set. So here it is, all set up. And it comes with this cool pontoon Dusty. Oh, where am I? There's fire everywhere. Whoa! The bridge just broke. Oh no. This is not good. Help! Wow, thanks, Dusty. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.